guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. You guys, first of all, I want to apologize for not posting a video last week. I took a last minute break. I just felt like I was so tired, and yeah, I was gonna be a bore on you guys' screens. So I thought, let me just take a break, just 1 week off and not vlog or anything. So yeah, I am back. There's nothing wrong with me. I just took a break. So I am well. I'm so sorry for disappearing like that on you guys. But yeah, I'm here. All right. So I started this vlog. When did I start it? The other day I went to, I think it was a Saturday. I went to the bank. I didn't manage. I went to the shops. I was just buying some snacks for Riley. She was so specific about what she wanted. So yeah, she wanted to try the Twix chocolate. I think she enjoyed that, which is very expensive. It's very expensive. What else did I get up to? Oh yeah, and then Sunday I also shot a few clips for you guys. I went to GU Station. I was particularly looking for the carpet that they posted, but they were not there like at all. They were sold out. That's so cheap. I mean, I understand. And then I went to Body Wrap, where I actually got some things. Okay, I mean, GU Station would post stuff that are actually very cheap. I went there. It's either I didn't like the quality or some of the things were sold out, so I didn't get anything from GU Station, but I did vlog just a bit in the shop. So I got stuff from Body Wrap. I went to Body Wrap, the one in Emoteng, like next to the furniture shop. Those sides, that side, yeah, ShopRite ish, yeah. So this is the plastic. Guys, forgive me for the blurs. So first of all, I got this. It's like this head wrap that people use, how really wiki, and you need to do like your makeup. You just tie it, lays your hair back, I guess, just so you apply your makeup in a better way. I got this one, yeah, sort of like Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse, whatever this is, because of Riley. I was with Riley, so she said I should take this one. So she's gonna borrow me this sometimes if I need it, but it's actually for Riley. And then I also got some socks. Well, these were for my cousin, but he forgot them. He went back home, so he forgot these. Maybe I'll use them, maybe I'll keep them for him, we'll see. I also got this top. I think you guys saw it in the clip. This was actually, I'm not too sure if it's like 20 or 30 bucks, but I really love this, and I want to believe that it's actually a UK brand because of this, the tag. I'm so obsessed with UK, you guys. Like every time I see something, I just automatically assume it's like a UK brand, especially if it's branded like this way. I automatically assume it's from UK. I don't know why, but yeah, I really love this top. The quality is great. I think you guys can see it's a single layer here, but the front part is a double layer, so it's completely not see-through. I haven't fitted this, but I can tell that it's not see-through, right, compared to this side. Absolutely love this. Yeah, like I said, it was either 20 or 30 bucks. I also got this mustard colored one. I really love this. It's a crop top. The other one is also a crop top. I mean, it's the season for that now, so I really like this. Also a UK brand, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, really like this. This was, this was 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure this was 20 bucks. I got that. I also got this one. I believe this was like 15 bucks. It's just like a regular top with, I don't know how the thingies are gonna be, but I think it's a cross at the back, like a crisscross-ish thingy. So yeah, I don't know how to put this, but yeah, you guys get the idea. I actually wanted this to put like underneath my shirts sometimes because I barely wear a bra. So yeah, this is gonna come handy for that. Sometimes I might wear this with just jeans. I don't know, I'll see. And then lastly, I got these. I have these in a white color. It's a replica, yeah, the Hermes sandals, the white ones. So when I saw these, I'm like, these look exactly like those ones. They really do. It's just that I don't think the quality is the same though. But for 40 bucks, I mean, it's okay. Like, I'll show you guys a clip wearing these so you guys can see. Yeah, I actually really love these. I got them in a size 38. I believe 38 is a 5. I'm not sure it's a size 5, so I got a 38 in this. I also changed my nails, but I didn't vlog that. So yeah, today we are gonna go out. I'm gonna try the bank one last time before I give up. So I'm gonna try a different bag this time to deposit. I hope it works. And then we're gonna do some grocery shopping. I kind of did my makeup, kind of, you know, it's not a full beat, but I kind of. So yeah, I'm wearing this shirt. I'll show you guys my outfit later, but I'm wearing this shirt that I got from my friend. I'll put the link in the description box and also write the name for her Facebook page on the screen so you guys can check her out. She sells like pre-loved clothes and stuff like that, so I really love this shirt thingy. I forgot how much this was. I think it was 60 bucks. I'll confirm and write it on the screen, but I think it was 60 bucks. I'm also wearing shorts that I got from Selection Mart. Yes, they do sell clothes, or they did, or they do. I'm not too sure about now, but yeah, you can ask from the shop. I got these, and then I'm also wearing my white sneakers, the ones that I got from like shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my mom's shades that I didn't borrow. I just took them. Also gonna carry my bag from Legit. So yeah, let's go. You guys, I'm so tired. I literally haven't talked to you guys the whole day. But yeah, we managed everything that we wanted to get. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Let's unpack. Good morning guys, it's another day. Yesterday I was so tired. Got home around like past 8. So yeah, I was really tired. I think shops are just tiring. But yeah, I think we managed to do everything we wanted to do yesterday. I was actually looking for some sandals. One of my clients came in the other day and she was wearing the sandals. So I asked her where she got them from, and she said from Officini. I went there yesterday. I think you guys saw. They didn't have my size in the color that I want. I want the gold ones. But they do have like a black and white, which I don't like them. I really want the gold. So I asked them to check, and they said I should check in Game City. They actually have a size. And I really hope it's not sold out today, because that was yesterday. So yeah, but today I have to deliver something to a client. She bought a dress, so I'm gonna deliver that. I also have to get a gift for my friend, then take it to her workplace. Then I have to buy cement. My mom was doing something, so we need like a bag of cement. I really hope someone will put it in the car for me, because I can't. No, I can't. And then what else do we have to do? Yeah, we'll see. Check the shoes as well, but I'll take you guys with me. So yeah, I even forgot to update you guys on what happened yesterday. So when we left home, we got in KFC. We went to the bank. I managed finally. And then we went to KFC to just get something quick. Well, it was lunch for my mom. We got the wrap thingy. I think it's like a sweet chili wrap, because they don't have burgers, they don't have wings, they don't have anything. So like it's really, it's starting to annoy me, honestly, because I saw people posting like hot wings and zinger wings and stuff. So I thought, oh, they're back. So I passed by and no, that's still not available. Anyway, the wrap was not nice. I don't like it at all. No. I don't like it at all. Anyway, we went to some shop. I forgot the name. I'll put the name on the screen for you guys. In Malapo Crossing, it's like a phone shop. They sell like accessories and ring lights and all that stuff. They were very nice in that shop, you guys. Like, I kid you not, the stuff there is very nice. And I don't know if the lady and the men are actually the owners. They seem like owners to me, but they're extremely nice. Like, the customer service, top tier, like I tell you. So yeah, you guys should go there. They are really, really, really nice. They're really nice, you guys. Like, I don't even know how else to say this, but they're really nice. Their prices are quite reasonable for what we're doing. So yeah, I really, really, really appreciate that shop. And I think that's why I'll be getting my phone accessories and stuff from now on. So yeah, I really like it. And then what did you do? Yeah, we just did some shopping. Really, it's nothing hectic. The day went by, nothing to talk about. I just wanted to tell you guys about the phone shop. But yeah, today we're gonna do the stuff that I already mentioned. So yeah, let's go.
with Jesus Christ.
Repentance with righteousness, peace, and joy. For the Holy Spirit in your life, in your family, in your home, your marriage, your calling, your nation. Let the love of God permeate every single crevice, every single crack, every single area, every thought, every action.
Today has just been a mess. Hey? Yeah. Hi guys. Yeah, so today all I did was bake the not so good looking blueberry muffins. Listen, I attempted the recipe last week and it turned out very well. Just that we don't have we didn't have a muffin tray in my jalape, so I thought let me do that here for the kids. But I don't know, for some weird reason the blueberries didn't pop as I expected them to. Or maybe I had high expectations because it would be like my second attempt. If my first attempt was that good, my second attempt had to be even better. But ke life ne, ke life. You guys saw how they look, but they do taste nice. They do taste really, really nice. I'm still wondering where I went wrong. Probably because I used the almond essence instead of the vanilla essence like I did last week. But it's okay. It's okay to try things, you know, to see what works and what doesn't work. But yeah, I will link the recipe in the description box for you guys to try them. It's really easy. They're really nice. You probably have the ingredients in your house. So yeah, try it. It's nice. So, a little update on yesterday. We did everything, pretty much everything, but I didn't look for the sandals. It was already late. We were on the other side of town and I was too lazy to go to Game City, so I thought, you know, we'll see. I thought I was gonna go today, but today I was like, you know what, I can't be going to the shops 3 days in a row. I can't do it. So today was kind of like my resting day. So yeah, it's actually around 5 o'clock ish, you know. So yeah, that's when it's just now that I got the momentum for the day, but it's already late. It's okay though. It's okay. We'll do it another time. Hopefully they won't be sold out, but it's okay. Really, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, so yesterday, guys, I showed you guys my lunch, for my cousin and I's lunch. We're sharing a plate. So we got to this place in Block 3 Industrial, like by Western Bypass, yeah, but inside Block 3 Industrial, like the other side of the road, just by the turn off Heyyyy Eureka. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. I shot a little clip that I'll put here so you guys can see. The man was so nice. When we got there, like literally we passed by, like legit, that meat smelled so good. So we literally went back. When we got there, another gentleman arrived. Still looking for money. Another gentleman arrived. Mona was the last piece that was there. Imagine. So there was like food and a little tiny piece of meat. And then this guy was like, he's like, no, Shane, they just got sold out. I'm so sorry, but I'll dish for you guys. We're like, no, it's okay. Thought we really wanted the meat. Like, if it was possible, we're just gonna buy the meat. This one was like, no, it's on me. Don't worry. I just think it's some morogo, coleslaw, beetroot, like literally everything that was left. He made sure it was in our plate. Guys, I've never tasted that's so good. Especially cooked by men. Well, I assume Pan because he was the one that was there. Like, was just men there. There was no lady or anything. That bohobe was so nice. And the marinades, I have no idea. You know what? Like, we put a little bit. My cousin tasted. She's like, yay. So I screamed at them and I'm like, he's like, come take more. You refuse to take more. Oh, my cousin went back to take more, guys. It was so nice. Like, I highly 10 out of 10 recommend that you guys get your lunch there. Like, if you work that side or you're ever in Block 3 Industrial for your errands or whatever, get your lunch from that man. He said he starts working around 11. So around 11 he's setting up and everything. His lunch is usually sold out on good days by 12. But on bad days, like yesterday, around 1, then he gets sold out. But every single day he sold out. So you know what I'm saying. His food is that good. So yeah, I just thought I should tell you guys. I give mahal, I swear. So yeah, I think that's just it. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. And yeah, I'm waiting for a client to arrive home. I have to deliver some shoes. Then we're gonna go to Dream Week. Guys, I'm so excited. Dream Week started yesterday. You guys can watch too. I mean, I'll put on the screen like what you get, where you guys can link in, like everything, the TV channels and the YouTube pages and everything. Okay, so you guys can watch. You guys should really watch. You don't want to miss Dream Week. Like, I really wish I was in Pretoria right now, but it's okay. So my cousin and I are gonna watch at my friend's house. Her sound system is nice, it's loud, it's exactly what she need for Dream Week. But if you don't have a sound system, it's okay. You can still tune in. You can watch from your phone. You can plug in headsets. Do whatever you want. I prefer Mudumo. So I'm gonna go to my friend's house for that. Yeah, it starts at 7 p.m. So yeah, do tune in. You won't regret it. Trust me. Anyway, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I tried to shoot as much as I can. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.